Hello guys, welcome back. I am going to break down another trade. Today we are on GBP USD. We are on a 15-minute time frame and I just want to show you something that I saw yesterday. Today is Tuesday and we are gonna trade from Monday. And I just want to show you really a nice setup combined with the footprint chart and the SMC, the smart money. When I was looking yesterday on the charts, I didn't catch this trade, but I wanted to show you like this really nice setup. So let's get straight into it. I will just play price smaller. What we can see in this chart. Okay, yes, in this chart we have a push, we have a bullish push, that's okay, but we have a change of character right here. Why? Because the price made higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, and it broke down before the lower than this low. So this is a valid change of character, because if I just go here above, the perfect situation if you have a supply zone. For me, in my strategy, the best thing for the change of character is that we have these higher highs and higher lows. It goes to the supply zone. You have this last high and this last low, and the price has to break below this last low. So there it goes. This is a change of character. For me, this is a change of character. And now I would look for a supply zone on a lower time frame. And I would wait for the price that it will tap in the supply zone. Maybe like this, like this, like this. And it will go like this to the previous these lows or whatever, some demand zone or something like this. I don't know what, something like this, demand zone. Yes. So this is the setup what I want to show you. So I saw this change of character, and we have there is an imbalance. You can see there is a clear gap between this candle, this wick, and this wick. There are no wicks in this place, so there is a nice supply zone right here. This is like a indecision candle, or I don't know the name, hanging man or something like this. But this is a nice candle before the big push, and it broke through and it made a change of character. So now it probably would do lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And as for the take profit, firstly I would target, it's quite, in this case it's quite difficult to say it, I would target this low, because it's just like higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. It took the liquidity here below these candles and it went up. So this would be like one of the take profits, and there is a small support resistance. What I sometimes use is the fixed volume profile. What I do, for me it works that I use it like a Fibonacci. retracement from the swing high to the swing low. I drag it like here, from here, it depends, but shortly it's just there is the most volume of money. This red bar, or what is it, a line, sorry, this red line, there was a lot of money traded, so here I would tell you that there could be this demand zone, and I would target this red line, so demand zone. Okay, as you know from my previous videos, I want to, or I set the alert in the supply zone. I will just mark it, supply zone, okay. I put the GAN box and I want the price to tap it in the 50% of the GAN box or in the supply zone. There I'm looking on a footprint chart and I want to execute on the 1 minute chart at the footprint. So now it went, you can see that our alert would be triggered. We are going on 1 minute, just here, I will just reset it. Yes, this is, yes, I will just, here we have it, just our alert has been triggered. So now we are going, just to remember the price, or the price, the time, 15:16. We are going on a footprint chart now, and here 15:16, but on the order flow in the footprint there is 1 minute plus, so our candle should be this one, 15:17. So what can we see? I will play the price. Yes, now look at this candle. This is a indecision or a reversal candle. I would say more reversal, because it's at the support or the supply zone, and this is mostly a reversal. Not really for me, but someone uses it as a reversal. But I think, or I would consider that there was a liquidity grab, because there was one bounce, second bounce, and now the price to the liquidity, and the second after it grabbed, the second bar is lower than the previous bar. It closed below this bar and this wick. So I would consider that this is the liquidity grab, and the liquidity is now taken. So what tells us the footprint? This is the reversal candle. There is a market exhaustion. What is it? This tells us that the last buyer has bought. So this is one of my confirmation when I want to short the market in this scenario. So we have one confirmation. Also we have an imbalance, and I will tell you and teach you something that I haven't spoken about. Just give me time. You can see there is a big selling pressure. You can see it also on the delta and also at the candles. There is a zero print, it's just a bonus. And as for the entry point, so this is a small pullback. Here, look at this candle. What is nice for me, it's that it has 100% of the delta. This is another confirmation for me. And look at this candle. It's like nothing special, but you can see this gray box, and these three gray boxes are at one price level. This is a POC. the point of control. It's where the most lots or contracts or money was traded. You can see there is 10, 16, 8, 8, and there is 23 and 16. So there is the biggest amount of money traded. Here also 35 and 9, and there is also 28, 11, 13, and these things. So, but what is also really interesting, this POC, this point of control, in the red bar is at the top. We can say that it's at the top, but here you can see it's in the middle, quite on the bottom. Here also in the middle, here on the bottom, and it's a red bar. But when you see a red bar with a POC in the at the top and in the pullback or in a supply zone, it's a good confirmation signal, or it's a very nice signal to enter short. So I would enter at the 50% of this candle. So remember 1539. On the trading view it will be 1538. It's like minus 1 minute. So this is this candle. So I will, here it's quite we can discuss if it would hit or not, but let's say that it wouldn't hit our sell limit. We place our sell position at this, at the 50% stop loss. If you want to be safe, you can go above the supply zone, above this high. You will be extra safe. You have almost 5 pips stop loss. You can go above this high. Is the 2 pip stop loss, is it's a minimum in the MetaTrader. So I would go this way. I like really the aggressive style, so I would choose 2 pip stop loss. The take profit we have set, so I would only go on the 15-minute time frame. Yes, it's quite. So sorry, I will drag it. We have a first take profit here, and to the demand zone, to this red bar or to the red line, and yes, this is our second. Here could be our first take profit. So let's get in the 1 minute. Yes, reset, and now I will slowly play price. Where is our entry? This is still not the valid change of character, because it did higher highs and higher lows, where I would say that as we have a higher high and a higher low right here and a higher high. So below this level would be change of character, and after below this level we can go break even. So we are still waiting, still not, and now we are in the trade. I will just, yes, now we are in the trade, and now you can see change of character. We will be patient, just a pullback. We don't panic, we are traders. There is a break of structure, another break of structure, and yes, now I will delete this and I will play the price. So this is under 1 minute. I think it will be for a long time, so I will skip it, or maybe on a 5 minute. just it will be faster. Yes, it returns. Why it returned, I will just tell you. On 5 minutes, you can see this nice indecision candle. It's another supply zone, because there is a major change of character. There is break of structure, so the price goes back, probably you could have another trade, but I don't really add trades now, so I wouldn't enter a second trade. But if you want to, or if you would like, you could. So it was just to tell you. And yes, this is 11 o'clock during night in the Asian session. So, and our take profit was hit in 15 minutes. You can see nicely hit, very nicely. Our first take profit. You would just have to wait. Yes, it takes some time. I think it's like 8 hours, or how much? 17. Oh, sorry, 17 hours. Well, never mind. 17 hours, but you have beautiful, almost 23%, and that's a nice trade, because on the 15 minute, it's my favorite setup. You have a change of character, and it taps into your zone, into your supply zone in the bear scenario, and then I would go on the lower time frame. In my case, it's 1 minute time frame. There I would look on the entry, market exhaustion, negative delta, and imbalances on the footprints, then entry, stop loss like above some high. Even if you would put 5 pip stop loss, you have nice 9%, which is really nice in FTMO challenge or my forex funds, when you have to do not 10% but 8% in the challenge. So it would be really really nice. So that's it. I wanted to just show you this trade what I've seen yesterday. So thank you, and see you at next trade and next setup. Thank you, and bye bye.